Storm due to natural gas?
Well, first of all, we got to play this down a little bit late yesterday afternoon with 2 feet or so in Boston, but not much more than a foot in New York City. But that doesn't really affect the market that much. Natural gas is actually up today because we're seeing more colder storms on the way about 5, 10, 15 days from now. So with a net short position in the market right now, speculators heavily short the market.
Right.
I think we're going to see that reverse, and we'll see higher prices.
Do professionals trade a blizzard?
If they do, they're making mistakes because usually it's a very short-lived effect on the commodity market. Sometimes it has more effect in equities. For example, Generac, which is a generating company, people buy generators to heat their homes when power goes out. That's up 5% since yesterday, whereas a lot of the energy markets actually were down. The one thing that you can do during a blizzard, if you see 2 or 3 in a row, is buy heating oil and sell crude, or buy heating oil and sell gasoline as people drive less. So that's one spread that probably will work over the next couple weeks.
And you wrote us in an email last night, Jim, that you want to take another look at utility stocks, and basically it's the old trick of buying on the rumor, selling on the reality. The reality here today is very different from the rumor yesterday.
That's exactly right. Unless you have a winter like last year, we had 5 snowstorms and 80 inches of snow in the east, and 3 months of incredible cold weather that did affect the economy. And fourth quarter and first quarter 2015 GDP or 14 GDP, you're not going to see anything other than a very short-term reaction. So we got to look at a longer-term trend. Where can we find that right now? Possibly in the natural gas market. We're at historical low levels currently. We have cold weather that I think will persist off and on through March. And the market's very oversold,
Right.
and I think we'll begin to see a rally.
Jim, I would have assumed that the utility companies have some kind of insurance against natural events, no?
Yeah, many of them do. Many of them, buy insurance policies through Lloyd's. The biggest effect ever that I saw, I think, in the bond market and also utility stocks before many companies had reinsurance was during Hurricane Andrew back in 1992, which, wiped out Florida and the Gulf Coast. It was actually even more of an impact in the commodity markets than Katrina was in some fashion.
All right, Jim Romer, thank you so much for joining us there. Jim Romer, who covers the commodity market.